Good morning, sir, everybody. Right now, I would like to tell about the bird, small one. This kind of bird, it is the hummingbird species and hummingbird forum. But another kind of the bird, you can see the net from the beginning, the first day, they have to get a female and male, and men, they have each other to build the nets. The net material they have took from the leaf. They took the type from anything where she hut is to find can they find, and then they fly back to build from small thing, from the branch of the tree, drying tree. And today is already passing 12th day, and then it's then unbelievable how they can build the beautiful nets for themselves. They prepare for the newborn, for the baby, and I cannot believe it, because for myself I have seen from the first day until today is already 12th day is passing, and then right now there are 12 D8 inside the net from the bird, and then right now the mother or female from the bird, she has to make warm for the egg, prepare to be warm for the egg. When the egg they are warm enough, and then it's a quite baby, it can be sapped from inside by the horn, by the mouth. They can break it, and then it can be come out. When it's then when they have first day to born it, and they cannot eat anything in the first day. They need for 2-3 days, couple days is passing, and then the mother, they bring something to feed them until they have the wing and have the hair is growing up around the wing, and then after 3 weeks after born, they can try to start to fly like the mother, like the father. And then after that, you can I think you can see the mother and the father, they will bring feeding to the baby. Take a look, you can see the bird. It's a beautiful hair. They are the yellow under the mouth, and they are gray over the top of the head, and they have the mouth. They have like the horn. It's a little bit longer than another kind of bird. This one is the species of the hummingbird. It look like the body and the body from this bird, this kind of bird, is then not too bigger than the finger, the toe finger, just only like the toe finger. Take a look. All right, now the mother keep warm for the egg inside the net. You can see. I will make the video for everybody and to washing until you can find the baby is frying. Okay, thank you very much for you watching my video. If you like it, don't forget to share, to like, to subscribe, and press the bell. Thank you very much for your looking. See you later.